Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog. Good morning, it is the 27th of January. In the office at the moment. Unfortunately it is raining today. I'm just heading into Stratford now, got to take Mitchell home again. Him and Riley are going into Stratford for Mitchell's birthday today. So we're going to run them into town now. Riley's going to spend the day in there with him. Not sure what else is happening today, we'll make a plan as we go along. Hopefully we can get out and do something today, because I cannot sit in the office all day with this rain. That is going to drive us a little bit crazy. We will figure it out. And I'm back at the office. What a miserable day. Raining, horrible weather. Didn't get anything done in town apart from drop those two kids off, and that's about it. We'll get inside now, see what Leone's plan is, and we'll go from there. Hopefully we can get something done today that doesn't involve sitting in the office all day. Would be nice. How are we doing?
I'm just
Sorting somewhere for you.
Yeah.
Where's Popper to go?
Slight improvement. Bit of a wet day today, so it's just been a relax around the house day for us. Kids are just chilling out here. I managed to tidy some of my desk up, and I'm just sorting out my computer now to clear it all off, and then I'll factory reset it for Riley. He can have that, and I will use this one under here, which goes a bit better. My one's a bit not very good, so Riley can use that from now on for his school stuff. It should be alright for that. Still 45 minutes to go. It's already been going for about an hour. This is why I cannot use this computer for work anymore. It's just so slow. So now I'm just sorting through our old video footage, deleting stuff we don't need anymore, and see what I can do to put another video together. And it continues to rain. Whoa. Back in the days when we didn't have stabilisation. Too jittery to use, so that one can go into the trash. It's a pity because it was a nice drive out to Artuya. What? Oh my gosh, this is going to take all day. Holy moly. 5 hours, 45 minutes. It's not even halfway through. Bread dough ready to go. Come make some bread buns, Finnies. We want to make them like little big buns. So you can have burgers for dinner.
It smells good. Yeah, but you can't eat those.
Now go. Rolly, rolly, rolly.
Mum,
Keep it.
Mum. Finish mine.
Oh, that's cool. We've got to join it together. That doesn't come apart.
That's what I was trying to make.
What are you doing, Finn?
Making a snake.
Oh.
It's enough now, Mum.
And then just twist it over like that. And squeeze that together, and you can have a long one.
Oh, wet, miserable, lazy, boring day here today, that's for real. Haven't really got much done. Mostly computer work for Leone. I've been doing not a lot, to be honest with you. Colin's been playing PlayStation most of the day. Kids have been on their devices. We're going to head out to the shed now and start sorting out some firewood. At least we can do that in out of the weather. Riley's in town at Mitchell's still. Mum's bringing the van down from the Waikato for me, so that saves me a trip up there. She's going to pick Riley up on the way through. Saves me a trip to town this afternoon. So we'll head out to the shed now, get stuck into this firewood. Right, clear some bench space and we can bring some wood in to cut. Water.
Ooh. Come and have a look at your buns, Finn and Harley. They look good?
Yeah.
For dinner?
I want it.
Yeah, for dinner. Not quite yet.
Lunchbox is there. I'm lit. You're lit.
Is that a good homemade burger?
By who?
By you guys. Is that a good homemade burger, Colton? Nice fresh burger buns. Yummy, yummy.
Where did you get it from?
It's the burger buns me and Harley and Finn made today, you Wally. Couldn't you open the gate?
No, I couldn't.
Why not? Who's opening it?
No. Kira? Kira?
Kira's running. The van's back.
Firewood is done, just got cleaned up. Mum's just turned up with the van and we're going to run her out to meet Dad somewhere to take her back to the Waikato. We'll hit the road now and get going. Slight break in the weather, it's not raining, let's go.
Well, I don't want to stay here. That annoying kids.
I don't want her to come with me.
But you're going to miss me, Nana.
See you guys. Be good.
And we're back, just dropped Mum off down the road. Got a few things at the supermarket, gonna unload the car now and make a start on some edits. We need shopping bags. Ah, cool.
There you go.
So
You go all the way back to Nana's.
no!
Riley said